Hello students. In exercise 10b we have done up to question 8. So today we will start from question number 9. In all these parts we have to calculate the value of x. Here this AB parallel CD, here PQ parallel RS and this PQ parallel RS. So we have to calculate the value of x. So see this. This angle is x, this is 3x. See, though these two lines are parallel and they are co-interior angles. X plus 3x 180 co-interior. X plus 3x 4x is 180. So x is 180 upon 4, that is 45 degree. In second, C. Both these angles are corresponding angles. So 3x is 90, corresponding angles. Student, write the reason in bracket. It's compulsory to write. So x is 90 degree upon 3, that is 30 degree. Third part, C. Let us suppose this angle is 1. So these two are now vertically opposite angle. Angle 1 is 2x plus 15, vertically opposite. Now this angle 1 and this, now they are making co-interior angle. So 2x plus 15 plus x plus 15, 180 degree co-interior. 2x plus x 3x, 15 plus 15 30. 3x is 180 minus 30, that is 150. So x is 150 upon 30, 150 upon 3, that is 50 degrees your answer. Next 10th question. In the figure, this is the figure of question 10 given below. This DE parallel AB, find the values of A and B. See this figure. See student, see. Alphabet Z is making, Z is forming. So B is equal to 55 degree alternate angle. Again you can see Z. Z is forming. So A is equal to 40 degree alternate angles. Question 12. In the given figure, P parallel Q and P parallel Q. Sorry, this is question 11. In the figure, angle 1 is 65, angle 2 is 65 and is P parallel Q. Give reason. See, angle 1 is 65, angle 2 is 65. We will suppose that this is angle 3. Now angle 1, angle 3 are alternate, or we can say angle 3 and angle 2 are making linear pair. Angle 3 and angle 2 are linear pairs. So angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 by linear pair. So by this we can calculate angle. So angle 3 plus angle 2, 180 degree. Value of angle 2 is 65 degree. It is given in the question. Angle 2 is 65. So angle 2 65, put angle 3 here. So angle 3 180 minus 65, 115. Now angle 1 65 and angle 3 115. And also they are alternate angle, but they are not equal. If alternate angles are equal, then it is parallel only. But the angles are not equal since alternate angles are not equal. So P is not parallel to Q. Is not parallel, so we will cut it. P is not parallel, or we can say P is not parallel to Q. Question 12. This is the figure of question 12. P parallel Q, R parallel S. Find the angle ABC. C. A will be 80 degree. It is given 80 degree. A will be 80 degree. Vertically opposite angle. We will suppose that this angle is D. So A plus D making co-interior angle. So A plus D 180 degree. A is 80 degree. So D will be 180 minus 80, 100 degree. Now C and D are vertically opposite angle. So C will be 100 degree. And B or C are corresponding angles. So B is equal to C is equal to 100 corresponding angles. So in this way A 80, C 100, B 100. Next question. In the given figure, this is figure BD parallel CE, X and Y. Calculate, find X and Y. In this question, it is 70, it is 120. Calculate X and Y. So see, let us suppose this angle is Z. Student, x is equals to 70 degree, alternate. See, Z is making, so x is 70, alternate angle. Now let us suppose this angle is Z plus 120, 180 by linear pair, so Z 180 minus 120, 60. Now y and z are corresponding angles, so y will be 60 because they are corresponding angles. 14th, in this given figure, AB parallel CD, CD parallel EF, find x and y. See, 75 degrees equal to y plus 28. Z, see this Z, so 75 is y plus 25, alternate angle, so y 75 minus 25, 50 degree. X plus 25 is 180, co-interior angles. X is 180 minus 25, that is 155 degree. And x is 25 are co-interior angles. 15th, given L parallel, this L parallel M, P parallel Q, find this x and y. Let us suppose this angle is 1. So angle 1 will be 75 degree, corresponding angle. 75 plus x, 180 degree. Linear pair. So x will be 180 minus 75, 105 degree. And y is equals to angle 1, corresponding angle. So y is 75 degree. Now 16 MCQs. L parallel M, find x, this reflex angle. Let us suppose this angle is 1. Now 1 and 65 are co-interior angle. And 1 plus 65, 180 co-interior angle. So 1 is 180 minus 65, 115 degree. Now this complete angle is 360 degree. So x will be 360 minus this 115 degree. Or you can say, write the bracket, write in the complete angle. So 360 minus 115, 245 degree. Question 17 and the last question of this exercise. AB parallel EF. So angle Z equals to, let us suppose this angle is A. Now they are forming linear pair. A plus 58 degree, 180. So is 180 minus 58, that is 122 degree. Now Z and A are corresponding angles because these two lines are parallel. So it will be 122 degree. So this exercise is completed. Student, one question is left in exercise 10A. So just see this question. See, this is the question of exercise 10A. In the given figure, find the value of y. This is the question number 17 of exercise 10A. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. See, angle 1 is equal to 8y, vertically opposite. Angle 2 is equals to 4y, vertically opposite. Angle 3 is equals to 6y, vertically opposite. Now, sum of all these angles is 360 by complete angle. So 4y plus 8y plus 6y plus 4y plus 8y plus 6y, 360 by complete angle. So 36y is equals to 360 degree. So y 360 upon 36, that is 10 degree. It is your answer. So student, exercise 10A and 10B both have completed. Do this complete video work in your classwork notebook. Complete all the questions are in video. So complete this complete work in your classwork notebook. So okay student, God bless you all, bye bye.